Hello children. Yes, very good morning all of you. This is Nagashri ma'am here. Yes children, you know what? Today I'm going to start with maths block 1. Yes, who all loves maths children? Maths is full of fun and it is like, well, solving maths, it is like a challenge for us. And you know what? It is so easy to do maths problems if we are thorough with numbers, place values and all that little things that we have learned in our past grades, that is class 1 and class 2 grades. Yes children, and our world is full of numbers that we know. Yes, so now I'm going to start with this block 1, reviewing 3-digit numbers. So I want all of you to get ready with your class works and pens, pencil, okay, whatever stationery items necessary for you to do maths. So here, you know what, this lesson I'm going to do. So I want all of you to write this lesson heading, name of this lesson and today's date. Okay, so here, now when I write here, I will tell you, make this note in your class works. I will tell you that I'll mention, note down these points or note down these notes in your classwork. That time you have to write, or else you have to just see and understand. Okay kids? Yes. So here, let us start with numbers. So what are numbers? Okay, don't write anything, just listen now. What are numbers children? You know numbers, right? Numbers means from 0, starting from 0. Even 0 is a number. 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6 up to 9, whether it is 99 or more than 99, 130 or it goes on. Yes, it is countless, right? So you know what? So 103, then again 1130, whatever it is full of numbers. Numbers are full of like 0, 1, 2, 3. They all are single digit number, right? Single digit numbers. And what about 99? 99 and all, there are 2 digits. So numbers are made up of digits children. These are the digits. 0 is a digit in the number 0. 1 is the digit in the number 1. So 9 and 9. 1, 2. Okay, these are the 2 digits in number 99. So 99 is a double digit number. Okay, double digits. What are double digits numbers? Double means again 2. Okay, double means 2 digits numbers. And then it is a 2 digit number. Sorry, not numbers. 99 is a number of 2 digits. Then again, you know, for example, 54. Then again it is a 2 digits number. Okay. So 54 is a number in which there are 2 digits, 5 and 4. Okay, there are 2 digits, one digit 5 and the second digit is the 4. So understood, right? And what about 112? So 112 has 3 digits. So the number 112 has 3 digits. That is 1, again 1 which is another digit and 2 which is the third digit. Understood children? So 1, 1, 2. There are 1, 2, 3. And you know what? I will teach you one trick. So it goes on like 1030. Yes, again it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there in this 1030. Yes, this is the 4 digits numbers. And it goes on. So you now know what are digits. Digits are these numbers. Okay. In a number, again, you can find single numbers which are called as digits. So each number in the whole number is known as digits. So don't get confused children. It is very simple. For example, if it is 636 or I will give you different digits. 639. So 639, right? How we will tell this number? 639. So 639 has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 digits. Okay. So this is a 3 digits number. 54 is a 2 digits number. 1 is a 1 digit number. 3 is a 1 digit number. So understood, right? So you have to be thorough with what are digits. So once you are thorough with it, okay. Next is the all. So the numbers which have 1 digit in them. Okay, for example 0 to 9. So we can count them. On a finger itself we can count. 0. Show me 0 on the fingers like this. 0 like this or like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 you can show like this. 6, 7, 8, 9. So these all have 1 digits in them, and they are called as single digit number. Okay, single digit numbers. And the numbers which have 2 digits in them, for example from 1010 to 9999, all the numbers have 2 digits in them, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, all they have 2 digits in them. So 2 digits numbers are called as double digits numbers. Okay, yes. And the numbers which have 3 digits in them, they are called as triple digits numbers, and so on. Okay. You know why I'm telling this? Because all single digit numbers, okay, like 0, 1, 2, and all, they have only 1 digit, right? And they have the place value. So what is their place? Their place. The digits also have the places. So it is known as place values. If I ask you what is the place value of 0, then we have to tell ones. Okay, what is the place value of 0 in number 1? I'm asking the place value of the digit 0 in number 0. You have to tell ones. If I ask the place value of digit 2 in number 2, then again you have to tell ones. So understood, right? Now, so all the single digit numbers, okay, their place value is ones only, because they have only 1 digit in them. But what about the double digit numbers like 54, as I have written here? 54. Now I will ask children, one trick is you have to always go from this side, from right to left, this way, while telling their place values, or while adding up numbers, or while subtracting numbers. So the most common rule is, okay, that we should never forget is, while learning numbers or while working out with numbers, we have to always go from right to left. So this is the one simple rule. Okay, so first we have to find out the place value of digit 4 in number 54. Then we have to find out the place value of digit 5 in number 54. Understood? So here 4, digit 4 is in the place value of digit 4. It is in the place of ones. Okay, so I will write O. Ones is mentioned, is denoted as O. Okay, we can write it as O. And you know what? So we are going from left to right to left. Okay, we should always go from right to left in the reverse direction while writing the place values, or while adding up numbers, or while subtracting numbers. So whatever it is, while working with numbers, we have to go from right to left. That is the one simple rule. Now the place value of 4 in the number 54 is ones, and we will mention it as O. Okay, yes. And what is the place value of digit 5 in number 54? Yes, what is the place value? It is tens, and we will mention it as T. So, children, what is tens? That is 54. We will tell 50. And what is the meaning of TYT? You know the spelling of 50? Yes, FIFTY. So 54. So what 50 when it is written in numbers 50 we will tell. And 4 means 4. FOUR. That means what? 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Yes, children? Yes. So 50 plus 4 is 54. So the thing, if you hear TYT means it is tens form. Yes, this is known as tens form. And you know 50 plus 4 we will get 54, right children? 10 times 50, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So how many times I have written 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that means 10 times 50 plus 4 is 54. And you know this is known as expanded form. Okay. What is this? What did I show you just now? The expanded form of number 54. Okay. Yes, this is if I ask you to write the expanded form of number 79. 79. How will you spell it? If we write the number name of 79. 79. So I want all of you to practice writing the number names also, children. You should never forget the number names. Okay? Yes. 79. So 79, we will write the expanded form of 79. That means 70 plus 9. Correct? That is known as 79. So this is in which form? 70 is in tens form. And 9. Look, 70 is in tens form. And this is the expanded form. And 9 is in ones form. That means it is in 70 is in tens place and 9 digit 9 is in ones place. So while writing the place values, that is known as place value. So while writing it in place values, we have to first write the place value of 9, that is ones form. It is in ones form, right? So you can take the help of this expanded form to find the place value also initially in the starting days, and later you will be thorough with it as you practice. And 70, so after ones comes tens. So children, after ones comes tens, right? So after all the single digit, what comes up to 9? Then we start with 10, which is a 2 digit, and it is in tens forms, right? Yes. And after all the 2 digit numbers, that is after 99, what comes next? 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers means how we will tell, what we will tell for 100. We will tell 100, right? Yes, that means the hundreds form will start from 3 digit number. Okay, so all 3 digit numbers we will start calling, they have hundreds place in them. That means, okay, for example, this particular 0 digit in the number 100, okay, is in ones place. So I will write O. Then after ones, what comes? Tens. So after tens, that is 99, what comes? 100, right? So 100, we will mention it as H. Okay, children? Yes. So if I ask you, what is the, yes, 350, let's write 54, 354. Okay, let's take this number 354. So what we are telling, children, 4 is in ones place, 50 is in tens place, that is 50, right? 354. So 50 means tens place 5, 3 means 300 we are telling. So we will get to know that is in hundreds place. When we tell the number name 354. We will not tell 354. That is wrong. We should not tell 354. We have to tell it is the number 354. And if I ask you what are the digits in 354, you have to tell 3, 5, 4. So 3, 5 and 4 are the digits. Okay. They are the digits in the number 354. Yes. So when we write, what did I say? You write the number name, right? Like, don't write now. What I'm telling is, when we write the number name, it will be easy for us to write what, children? To write the expanded form. You will get to know. So I'm showing you with an example. Look, you will spell it like this, right? 354. This is how you spell. So now you can see 354. And look now. So 300. That means I have to write 300 plus 50. Okay, I have to write 50. Okay, 50. Then 4. So 300 plus 50 plus 4 is 354. Yes, children. So now 3 is in hundreds place. Look, 3 we mention it as 100. 50, that means ty. If you read it as t, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that means it is in tens place, that particular digit. And the last number, that is 4. We will mention it as a single name, right? So single digit numbers we will spell it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how we spell the single digit number. That means it is in ones place. Understood about the place values, children? This is known as the place values. If I ask you next, after all the hundreds, for example, which is the last 3-digit number, children? Yes, the highest 3-digit number. So if I ask you 3 and 7, what you will tell? If I ask you which is greater in 3 and 7, okay, you have to compare. I'm giving you two numbers, 3 and 7, and I'm asking you to compare. Compare means you have to tell me which is big and which is small. So you will tell me 3 is small and 7 is big, because it is very easy. It is a single digit number and you will tell easily. If I ask you, yes, so how will you write? 7 is greater than 3. So this is greater than. How will you write greater than symbol? So you haven't forgotten, right? Children, you haven't forgotten, right? So this is the greater than symbol. If you want, you can make a note down of this point. Okay, whatever I'm writing now from greater than. Then lesser than. Lesser than, how you will write? Like L only. Okay, this is the symbol of lesser than. Then is equal to. So while comparing, we will use these signs. Okay, these are the signs. Okay, which means this means greater than. This sign means lesser than. This sign means is equal to. Okay, children. So when I ask you to compare any two numbers, you have to use these signs. Okay, and the meaning of these signs is here. You can make note of this point in your rough notebook or even in your classwork side in the working column. You can draw a line and write. Okay, yes. Now if I ask you to compare 3 and 7, here you have compared it. 7 is greater than 3, or you can also write 3 is lesser than 7. This is how we compare. Right, children? So if I ask you 5, 6 and 94. So compare these two numbers. What you will write? We can write 94 is big, right? It is bigger than 56. That means it is greater than number 56. Or we can write 56 is smaller than. That means lesser than 94. You can write any one. You can write this or this. While what we are doing? While comparing. We are comparing the numbers. Yes, what we are doing, children? We are comparing the numbers. And now, if I ask you 498 or yes, 362, you will get to know 362 is lesser than 498. So how we will tell? 362 is smaller than 498. So lesser than 498. So this is how we will write. So it is easy for us when one number is greater, much greater than the other number. It is easy for us to compare. Okay. But what about, I will ask you. Okay. Compare between 793 and 783. So you know what? This might be a bit confusing. So, as I have taught you the place values, we will see the place values. And what is the rule while writing place values? So, we have to go from right to left, right? Yes. So, let's write the place values in pencil just above the, okay, don't make note of it. I'm showing you, I'm teaching you first lesson. So, I will make a note of it with pencil like 783. So from 3 I will start. I have to first write the place value of 3. 3 means ones. Yes. 80. 80 means 8 is in tens place. The digits. Okay, we are writing the place value of the digits. And 783. That means the place value of 7 is 100. And in the same way, 793. Yes, spell it out loudly. 793. 3 is in ones place. 90. 90 means it is in the digit 9 is in tens place. 793. So 700 means the digit 7 is in hundreds place. So that means now we have to compare each and every digit and then we will get to know. Okay, we have to compare this number in hundreds place and the other number in hundreds place. We have to see both the digits in hundreds place. It is same. Here in 793, 7 is in hundreds place. And in 783, again 7 is in hundreds place. So 7 is equal to 7. So we cannot compare these two numbers looking at the digits in hundreds place because they both are same. Now next number tens. Next digit in tens place. We have to compare the digits in tens place now. Okay. We are comparing each and every digit in the number separately to find out the greater number without any confusion or mistake. So, okay, now we are seeing the digits in both the numbers in tens place. So here 793. So the digit in 793 is 9. Okay, write it here. And the digit in 783 is 8. So compare these two digits, children. So comparing means I told you we have to tell whether it is lesser than, greater than or equal to. Okay. So 9 and 8, which is greater, which is bigger? 9, right? 9 is bigger than 8. That means 9 is greater than 8. Okay. So now we will get to know 9 is greater than 8 and the digit 9 is in this number 793. So that means 793 is greater than 783. Okay, because the digits again in ones place is, yes, ones place is 3 and 3, which both are equal to each other. Okay, and you know what? Tens place is always greater than the ones place. Yes, children? Yes. So 10, 12, 20, 30, 40 are always greater than 9, 8, 7. Right? So another rule is, look here. Once the digits in the ones place is smaller than the digits in tens place, and again the digits in tens place are smaller than the digits in hundreds place. So after hundreds, which place, children? Next. So after 999, which number comes next? Okay, the number that comes next is 1000. So that the place value that comes after hundreds, that is, this is ones, after ones is tens, after tens is hundreds. So after hundreds come thousands place. It is known as thousands place. So thousands place will start. So 1001, 1002. These four digits numbers have thousands place also. Understood? As I told, tens, two-digit numbers have tens places, three-digit numbers have hundreds places, four-digit numbers have thousands places. Okay? So there is, after hundreds, the next digit, it stands in the thousand place. So the place value of digit 1 in 1000 is, in 1000 is 1000, and the place value of digit 0 here, this 0 is hundreds. The place value of this digit 0 is tens, and again the place value of this digit 0 is ones. So don't get confused. You have to be thorough with the place values, and you should know what are digits. Okay, and that will help you out in comparing the numbers also, and not only in comparing the numbers, further, okay, it will help you in adding up, okay, and then what else? Yes, in adding ups, in subtracting. So it will all help you in this. If you learn the digits and their place value, it will not only help in comparing the numbers, but also to sum up the numbers, to find the difference. Adding means to sum. Whatever answer we get when we add two numbers is known as sum. And whenever we subtract two numbers from each other, then the answer we get is known as difference. That and all I will teach you in the next classes, in upcoming lessons. Okay, so here, once you are thorough with the place values and the expanded form and the what are digits, the difference between digits and numbers, then it is easy for you. And don't forget, children, it is easy for you to learn the next two chapters, the first two chapters, but don't forget to learn the number names. Practice the number names also. So whenever you get time, I want you to write the number names of all the numbers starting from 0 to, yes, 0 to how much ever numbers you know. So you have to keep on practicing. So for as of now, you should start practicing from 0 to 999. So every day you have to write at least 20 number names in your rough notebook. And if you show it to me, I will give you a star. Okay? So practice 20 number names. And you have to, one simple thing is this one. I want all of you to write down this. Okay? Now the very first name is, let us do revision of number names. So here also I will show you one trick, children. So while learning number names, okay, you first write this. Okay, write it with me. So make note of it. Once you have written the heading, the lesson names, now write this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have written all the single digit numbers. So now I will write the number names of the single digit number. Right, even you also write 0. Very good. Right, children. 1 is ONE 1, 2 is TWO 2, 3 is THREE, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9. Okay, so now after this, draw a line using scale. Okay, don't draw like me, draw a line using scale and draw it with pencil. Don't draw with free hand. Okay, and you can use pencil while drawing lines. Yes, and next I want you to write 10, not 11. After 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I want you to write the number names of this. Okay, this is the notes, children. Make a note of it. Write it like this only. 10, 20, TWENTY. So spell it as you write. 30, THIRTY. 30. FORTY, 40, not FOUR, it is FORTY. Okay, children, 4 is FOUR, but 40 is FORTY. 50 FIFTY, 60 SIXTY. So 6 plus T, 60, 5 plus T, 50, for FOR, for T, thir, 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 TTYT, 20, TWEN, TYT. So you have to split and you have to learn the number names. 70, 7, T, 80, 8, EIGHT, Y. So again don't write TY, 80. It is wrong. Write EIGHTY, 8, E. So 80, 90, NINETY, 9, TTYT. So children, why did I ask you to write this very next after 0 to 9? Because you know, after 20, okay, after 20, that is 21, I will write here 21, 22 and all, okay, or after 20 up to 99. Here, if you know these number names, it is easy for you to write the number names of this also. Don't write this, children. So 21 means TWENTY, 21, ONE1, right? So 80, 83 means 83. 80 spelling is here. EIGHTY, 3, THREE, 3. So it will be easy for you to write all other number names if you know these two. Yes, don't write this, children. Don't write this. Okay. Now what you have to write here? Okay. Here write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, right up to 19, because the spellings of these numbers is different. Only these numbers from 11 to 19. What is 11? ELEVEN, 11. 12, TWELVE, 12. 13, THIR, 13, TEEN. So from 13, teen is the common word. What is the spelling of teen? TEEN. So that you have to learn. So here 14, FO. 1 second, children. Yes, children. So next is 14, FOUR, 14. Okay. Again, teen spelling is TEEN, teen. 15, FIF, 15, TEEN, teen. 16, SIX, 6, TEEN, teen. 17, SEVEN, 7, TEEN, teen. Okay, and then 18, EIGHT, 8. So 6, 7, 8. You know the spelling. And emu, join. Okay, don't write again teen, but emu write, because T is already in the number name of 8. 19, N-I-N-E, 9. Teen, T-E-E-N. Okay, so you have to be thorough with these number names. That is from 0 to 9. Okay, and then 10 to 90, like skip counting of 10 we have done. That I will again teach you in the next classes. Then this one also. Okay, so from 11 to 19. If you are thorough with these number names, then that will be easy for you to write number names up to, yes, up to 99. Okay, children. So next, if you have to write 3-digit number names, then you have to, yes, again learn the spelling, the number name spelling of 100. Hundred, 100. And then, okay, 100 means O-N-E, 100. Then 200 means T-W-O, 200. 300 means T-H-R-E, 3. Then again 100. So it is easy for you if you learn the spellings of these. And then 1000, you have to learn the spelling of 1000 also. 1000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1000. So 1000, 2000, while writing number names of 5632. So how you will write 5000? We will write 5000. So if you learn the number name of 1000, 5 you already know that you will learn it here only. So 5600, SIX 600. Yes, we are just writing the number name of this number 5632. Then 30. You have to write here only, continue, but don't write this one. I am showing you for example. 32. Yes. So these are the main things you have to learn, the number name. So write from this column, this one, and these two. Okay, children. So as you go, as we learn the next lessons, okay, we will learn the number names of, yes, number names that have higher place values also. That you need not worry as of now. Okay, be thorough with these number names and practice number names daily. Okay, children. And now, okay, here I want all of you to open your textbooks, and in that, this 1 and 2, I want write here HW on page number 10. Okay, turn to page number 10, take out a maths textbook, and this part is 1, question number 1 and question number 2 is homework for you. You have to write. And this also, okay, you have to write in your classwork. So here, children, in next place, I don't want you to write this one. Don't get confused. This I have shown for you. Okay, I have taught an example for you. Okay, now in the next page, or if you, okay, in the next page itself, you can write it in the next new page. What you have to do, you have to write question 3, Q3. That means question number 3. Okay, this one, and write from 801 to 850. Okay, write in your classwork again, and then write the number names. Write after writing this Q3. Okay, after writing this in your classwork, next you have to write, after writing this, children, you have to write from 801 to 850. Then question number 4, you have to write the number names of, okay, write like this. Question number 4, write heading number names. Okay, number names, and then write A, because this is the question is A. First one is A, 985. Write the number 985. As you write, tell the name. Say the name, 985. Now write the number name of 985, that is 985. Yes, so this is the number name of 985 number. So you have to write all this B, C, D. You have to write all these four. And next, this fifth one, write here only. Okay, children? Write here only. This also write here only. So 591, 592. After 592 is 593, 594. Then 595, 96 is given. 596 is given. So after 596, 597. After 597, 598. Then comes 599. So after 599 is 600. So like that you have to write for this also in your textbook only. Even for this, write in textbook. But these two you have to write in classwork. Okay? Yes, these two questions write in classwork. Again, this one write here only. 68 is a 3-digit number. Tell me whether it is true or false. Are there 3 digits in the number 68? Yes, let's count. 1 digit, 2 digits. Yes, then that means it is a 2-digit number, right? And the place value of 68, write the place values of the digits 6 and 8. So while writing place values, what is the rules? We have to go in the reverse direction. 8, the digit 8 is in 1's place, the digit 6 is in 10's place. Okay? Yes, so 68 is a 3-digit number? No, then what it is? Write it false. Then what it is? What it is, children? 68 is a 2-digit number. Right? Yes. Very good. Now, the number name for 500 is FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100. 500. Is it true or false? True. Correct. Yes, it is correct. If it is correct, you have to write true. If the given sentence is wrong, you have to write false. Okay? True means if it is correct, if it is right. False means it is wrong. 735. Okay? What 735 is the same as 700? 753, that means 753? No, right? Because what we will write 735 means 735. But what they have given 753. Here 735 is correct and this is wrong. So write here false. So you have to read and observe carefully before writing the answers. Okay, they are using the same digits. 3535 are there just for you to get confused. But if you are thorough with whatever I have taught so far, then you will never get confused, right, children? So you have to practice nicely. Okay? Yes, very good. And you know what? Yes, here as I taught you the place values of ones, tens and hundreds, ones are denoted, are represented writing by drawing like the small cubes. Okay, these are one small boxes. So this represents ones. Okay, and you know this one, there are 10 boxes like this in one whole set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. If you count, you will get to know. So this column, this row of boxes, so this set like this, it denotes tens. That means it is tens. Okay, and this like this, if it is given, that means there are hundreds, 100 blocks like this. There are, if we count, okay, 10, then 20, then 30 in this line, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then from 91 to 100. So there are 100 boxes, okay, Here there is only one box, hence it represents 1. Here there are 10 boxes, hence it represents tens. And here there are 100 boxes, so it represents the digits in hundreds place. Okay children, so here for example, look here, they have given 513. Yes, they have given the number 513. So now I have taught you the expanded form of 513. Yes children, so how we will write the expanded form? 500, don't write this, just see. 500 plus 10 plus 3, right? That means 5 is in hundreds form, 10 is in tens form, and 3 is in ones form. So if I ask you to write the place values of 5, 1 and 3, the digits 5, 1 and 3, we know to write 3 is in ones place, the digit 1 is in tens place, and the digit 5 is in hundreds place. Yes, so we know the place values. But if they give you like this boxes, okay, and if they ask you to write the number, so here we have to write 500 means 5 times hundreds, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, that means 500, right? 1 2 3 4 5, that I taught you, right? Yes, if it is 50, that means 5 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 5 times 10 is known as 50. So 500 means 5 times hundreds. And how will they show the hundreds in the block form? These are known as blocks, right? So how will they show? They will draw like this. If they have given like this block, then that means 100 is there. And this is another 100, another 100, another 100, and one more 100. So 1 2 3 4 5, that means 500. You have to write 500. Don't write now, I'm showing you, don't write in your textbooks. Plus here 10, the tens blocks is only 1, that means 10. If there is one more, then that means 2 tens, 10 plus 10, that means 20 you have to write. So there is only 1, so I'm writing 10. And then here also, how many 1 boxes are there? 1 cubes are there, or 1 box? This is cube, children. Okay. So this is a cube. Yes, they have drawn a cube. Yes children, so you have seen a cube, right? So this is a cube. Okay, I will show you how to draw cube in the next classes. So here they are represented in the tiny form, tiny boxes, because here they can't print it clearly. Okay, yes, so 1 second children. Yes, so 1 cube means once. The set of 10 cubes together means, yes, together means what? Tens. The set of 100 cubes together means hundreds. Okay, so here 1 cube means like this, you have to write a box, and then cube means it will be like this, children. So this is a cube, this is a box, look here, 1 square, and then like this. If you have seen a gift box and all, it will be like this. This is how it looks, a 2-dimensional. A 3-dimensional means you have to see a box. So look here, a charger, it is in cube shape. Okay, this one, this is a cube, this is in cube shape. Okay, so actually this is in rectangle shape. So rectangle means cuboid. If you take exactly a square shape box, then that is called as cube. The rectangle shaped box, this one, it is in cuboid shape. Okay, so I'm not getting here a exactly square shaped figure, so I have drawn here. So this is a cube, this is a square, and then like this. Yes, and then this is how it looks. So here, so 100 cubes together means this is known as hundreds. This represents the hundreds. Okay, here. So this I have taught you. 513 means, so far now I have explained it to you, right? 5 hundreds, 1 tens, 3 ones. Once you write the number names, then it will be much more easier for you to write like this. 5 hundreds means 500, 1 tens, 3 ones. Yes? So, next you have to again do this, children, in your textbook only. So TB I will write, that means textbook you have to write. CW means you have to write it in classwork. Okay, yes, write this and this in textbook only. Okay, now you can write with me. 6, how will you spell this out? How will you call this out? 685, will we tell 685? No, they are the digits, right? So what is the number? 685. So 600 means there itself you'll get to know there are 6 hundreds. 80. So 8 tens, 5. 5 ones. Right? Yes. 6 hundreds, 80 plus 5. This is the expanded form. So you can write this and then you can write it if you get confused. Okay, or either way you can write. So 903. Let us write 900 and 3 because there is 0 in the tens place. Look here. Ones, tens, hundreds. So write the place value above in the pencil. I want you to write in textbook with pencils only. Don't use pens. Okay. So which number is there? Which digit is there in the tens place? 0. So in the tens place write 0. And then which digit is there in ones place? 3. So children, if you write the place values like this, it will help you to write the expanded form without any confusion, even if there is 0, even if the number has 0 digit in it. Okay? Understood? Yes. So write the place value also, and while writing always write from right to left. Ones after ones tens, after tens hundreds, and so on. Yes. So now write this column. So how many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds are there. 8 tens was there in this number 685. And here how many tens are there? What you have written in the tens place? 0. That means 0 tens. Yes, there are no tens. That's why it is 0, 903. And now 3 is in ones place. And look here, children, as I told, how they will mention by writing, by drawing cubes. So here this is 100 set of cubes, right? 100 cubes are there. So this is a set of 100 cubes. So how many hundred? So I will write 100 plus there is one more 100 set of cubes. Again 100. Then this is set of 10 cubes. So 10 plus one more is there, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is only 7 cubes. One cube is drawn. So I am counting it. So 7 cubes. That means how much? Write again down. 100 plus 100. 1, 2. So 200. Okay, you have to skip the number by hundreds. 100, 200s. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 10 plus 10 is 20. So 2 times 10s. 1, 2. 1 and 2. That means 20. Here 2 times hundreds. 1 and 2. That means 200. And then 7. Okay. So you have to write these 2 steps. Okay. For this kind of questions. So here, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks of 100 cubes are given. This is blocks of 100 cubes, right? That means set of 100 cubes. This is called as block. So, if it is single cubes, then you have to call it as cubes. But what if there are more than 2 cubes together? Then it is block of 2 cubes, block of 3 cubes, and so on. So here this is block of 10 cubes and this is block of 100 cubes. So you have to be thorough with this also. If you see this, if you look at them, you have to know, oh, this is hundreds blocks. This block has 100 cubes. So how many such blocks are there of 100 cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write it above. So how many times you have to write 100? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 4 times, because there are 4 blocks. Okay, that means 400. So this is the expanded form. Write these 2 steps. You have to write 2 steps for this type of question, for this pattern. Next, this one, question 3, write in CW classwork. Okay, 726. I will show one example for you. Okay, so again, after question 4, after writing all the questions in question number 4, write again. Okay, for this you can write like this: first main Q3, not first main, sorry, this is the first main, right? So write second main Q3, so that we'll get to know it is in the textbook. It is from textbook if you write Q3. So now write third main. After writing this, children, write third main Q3. Okay, then A, 726. Now write the expanded form. 726 means 7 hundreds. Write the number name first. First step, you have to write number name. 7 hundreds. 23 plus 20. That means 2 tens. So you have to write the place value OTH. Okay, that means 7 hundreds. 2 times tens, 6 ones. Understood? So you have to write along with their place values in the expanded form. And the second step, you have to write in number. 7 hundreds means 700. 2 tens means 20. 6 ones means 6. Understood? So you have to write these 2 steps. First, you have to write the place value of the digits in the number. So B, I will show you one more. 608. So 608 is the next question. 608. So while writing place values, first write place values. You can write it in pencil. Okay. So yes, 8 is in ones place, 0 is in tens, after ones tens, then after tens hundreds. Yes. So now 6 hundreds. There are 6 hundreds. That means, yes, this picture should come in your mind. Okay, there are such 100 blocks. There are 6 such 100 blocks. Okay, like this. There are 4 blocks here, right, of 100 cubes. Okay, here there are 6 such blocks, okay, of 100 cubes. Next, there are 0 tens. That means 0 blocks of tens. Okay, 10 cubes. There are 0 blocks of 10 cubes. What is the meaning of 0? Nothing. There is no block of 10 cubes. So this picture should come to your mind. Tens, 0 tens plus 8 ones. So how many single cubes are there? There are 8 such cubes. Okay, understood, children? So even if this picture comes to your mind, then it is again very easy for you to solve these problems. So 600 means 600 plus 0 plus 8. So this is the expanded form. You have to write 2 steps, this step and this step. Okay, like this you have to write for all the 3 questions, okay, in your classworks. Then draw place value blocks to show given numbers. Also write the number of hundreds, tens and ones. So children, first I will show you this. Write this also in classwork, CW. Question number 4 also in classwork. Okay. So I will show you after writing C of question 3. Next go to question 4. Third main itself. So you know what? Write the question 370 and write the expanded form of it first. Okay? 300 plus 7 tenths, that is 370, right? Here if you write OTH, that is ones, tens and hundreds, you have to write the place values of the digits first. So you will get to know how many hundreds are there. There are 3 hundreds. So below hundreds place there is number 3. That means 3 hundreds. Below tens place, which is the number it is? 7. So that means there are 7 tens. Okay, and below ones place, which is the number? 0. That means there is no ones. 0 ones are there. So you know what is a table form, children? So place value blocks, yes, you have to draw like this. So don't worry, once you write like this, write the next step also. 300 plus 7 tenths means 70 plus 0 ones means 0. Write like this. Okay, even if it is 0 tenths means also 0. So if the place value has 0 digit in it, that means 0. There is nothing. And now while drawing, what you will do, write like this. Okay, draw a big square like this, and in that square, okay, draw 10 lines. 1 2 3 4. Okay, or just draw these many lines to show it roughly, and then draw like this. So this is understood that you have drawn this hundreds blocks. Okay, yes. And now 70 means draw one single big cube, one single row like this, and in that now count. I want 10 cubes in that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the tens blocks. Okay, and then ones block means single boxes like this. So okay, don't write this I have shown it for you. So 300 means what you have to do, you have to draw like this. You have to 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means, okay, if you draw like this, then it is understood that you have drawn a block of 100 cubes. But draw neatly using scale. Okay? Yes? Draw neatly using scale, children. And you know what? Now next comes, here I have drawn, yes, I have drawn 3 blocks like this of 100 cubes. 1 2 3. Okay, there are no, exactly there is no 100 cubes in it, but it is understood. We can't sit and draw 100 cubes, right, children? Yes. So roughly we have to write like this. And here, look here, next you have to write 70. That means 7 such blocks like this. Okay, 7 such 7 such blocks of 10 cubes. So 1 2 3, okay, I'm showing it to you roughly. 4 5, write neatly, children, don't scribble like me. 6 and then 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So need not use plus mark between the blocks, because here also they have not used. Here you can write like this. After drawing 100 blocks, you can write one plus mark after writing tens blocks, because we have to draw 7 such tens blocks, because 70, right, 7 tens are there. So next 0. So don't write anything. Okay, so if there is 6 in this 106, there is 6 blocks in one's place. So you have to draw single cubes like this. Okay, just draw square. If you know to draw cube, then well and good. Okay, after drawing square like this, then you have to join, and then you have to join like this. Understood? Yes, so this is the cube. So children, here after writing this, okay, use scale and draw neatly. You have to, yes, you have to know by this time how to fill this, how to do this. If you know, do it. Otherwise, I'm going to teach you in my next class. By this week, you have to be thorough with, okay, whatever I have taught so far. And don't forget, you have to be perfect with the number names also. Yes, children, thank you so much. Bye.